We can't really operate as a powder coater without our trusted staff, the guys in the warehouse, our Alpha staff, and of course our trusted operations manager, Russell.
So this area here is our steel drop-off area because it's closest to the blast booth. As you can see, it's all raw steel, mixture of blue steel, it's got the blast primer on, and just raw steel with the mill scale. My name's Russell. I've been with Coastal Powder Coating for just over 10 years. I've been in protective coatings industry for 13 years. I'm the operations manager here. Basically my role is to make sure the sheds, all 3 sheds, are solidly painting. I get the work in, produce the job sheets, make sure they got all the consumables, all the powder, so there's no downtime, so we maximise productivity. That's basically my role. So this is our sandblasting booth. We use garnet, which is a fine sand. We don't use steel or steel grip because you get too much of a deep blast profile. You only need a fine profile for powder coating. So yeah, the blasted steel work is manoeuvred from the blast booth into the shed. The next stage, it gets hung up on the trolley. We put as much as we can on. That trolley is then manoeuvred with the forklift into the paint booth. All we've got to do after that, we get the airline and we do a blow off. So it blows any garnet, any dust, so it's contaminant free. We might give the pull-up bars just a little hand sand just to make sure there's no sharp areas, because obviously people's hands are going on that. Then it gets painted, and we use the textured colours because it just gives a little bit of grip, which is good on that sort of equipment. Once it's been painted, do the electrostatic painting, the trolley is then manoeuvred into the oven. In the oven, approximately 20-25 minutes, and we run the oven at between 230, 240, and the bake cycle is about 20-25 minutes. As soon as we open the oven up, pull the trolley out, it's cooled down, it's cured, ready to handle, ready to go, baked on, rock solid. We're also the only powder coater who's got an open door conveyor line oven. All big heavy steel work and big heavy aluminium slider gates we do in the batch oven, but all smaller, lighter pieces we put on our conveyor line.
So my favourite part of the day would be really getting out onto the yard and looking at what the boys have been up to for the day. At the moment I am pregnant, so they're all very hesitant to let me anywhere near anything too exciting. I think it's absolutely fantastic what AlphaFit's doing, and they're really taking on the market locally for Australian gym equipment, and we're really honoured to be a part of that and support the Australian economy. It provides opportunities, so yeah, we're pleased to be a part of it.